saucy, tangy, sweet, sticky chicken wings. We're gonna make these right on a Blackstone griddle. It's gonna be one of the best chicken wings you ever had. Hey, let's get started. All right, to get things started, let's get our chicken wings. I got 2 packages of chicken wings. Don't know how many is here, it's not many. I wanna try to keep this hand clean because this is gonna be my seasoning hand, all right? And another hand, if you wanna put this in a bowl, you can do that too. But I like having all my wings kind of out like this, okay? All right, there's your wings right there. Now, what you could do is give these a little salt, okay? Put them in the fridge uncovered and let those kind of dry out. Hussey didn't have that time, so here we are. We're just rolling with it. We're gonna give these a season. We're gonna give these some seasoning with some chicken dust here, y'all. Brand new chicken dust from yours truly that I just came out with. It's brand new and it's some good groceries. We're gonna come in liberally with chicken dust. We want these things to have some flavor. And go ahead and get your Blackstone kind of up, pre-warm, low temperatures, fine. We have a pan over there that we got kind of simmering, kind of just idling. And we're gonna make a nice little glaze, little barbecue sauce for these chicken wings, all right? Now, got the chicken dust on there, and to the chicken dust, I'm gonna use my clean hand. I'm gonna put a little bit of cornstarch on these, okay? And what cornstarch is gonna do is, it's gonna act, it dries the exterior out a little bit, but it also helps it'll kind of start frying, okay? It'll fry in its own kind of fat that releases from the skin, from the fat that's on these chicken wings. And I'm just gonna mix these up. Some people are gonna say, why don't you use baking soda? I don't like using baking soda because it's got aluminum in it. If you use a lot, it'll kind of start tasting metallic because, well, that's what it's got in it. It's mixed with cornstarch. So you can add a little bit of baking soda to this, or not baking soda, baking powder. And it's like a leavening agent too, right? That's what it's for. Just gonna let these kind of tack up for a little bit. Let that cornstarch kind of react, let that salt kind of react. And yeah, if you see, you're like, oh man, need some seasoning, put some more seasoning on it. Hit it with that chicken dust, okay? Just hit it with it. I promise you, be good groceries. Alrighty, so our chicken wings have sat for a little bit. I wanna slide this over so we can see right here. I'm just gonna take our chicken wings, put them on a spatula, and I'm just gonna put them right there. I probably should have, let me put a little bit of oil down. I need some oil. Now we need some oil because the chicken wings will, they'll start releasing some, but we need some to start out with, kind of mixed up there. Needs a little bit of lube. All right, there we go. Let's try this again. Now we're cooking. That's better. Now, you want each one of these wings to hit a piece of the griddle, all right? You don't want them on top of one another. You just want them to get a little bit of action and satisfaction. All right, now we got to get our sauce ready. And what we're going to do here is we're going to make some Cheerwine sauce, a little barbecue glaze, if you will. We're going to use a little bit of Cheerwine, the regular Cheerwine. It's a little North Carolina thing. We're going to head over. We got a pan right here. What I want to do is reduce this Cheerwine. That pan's been on there for a while. We're going to reduce it quite a bit before we start adding some other stuff to it. We're going to add about half of this. This is a 16 by 9. Yeah, 16.9, not 16 by 9. All right, we're gonna let that just kind of simmer, all right? And it's just gonna reduce down all nice. Like I said, the griddle, I got it on low. Everything's on low. I got the chicken wings on low. Got this, actually I'm gonna pump it up just a little bit more so it'll start kind of reducing a lot quicker, okay? Because we want it nice, we want it thick, and we want it nice, thick, and juicy. All right, we're gonna give this about 5 minutes. The chicken wings, they're gonna take a minute. If you don't already, like, you know, we're going by our little chart that we have here, little Hungry Hussey recommended temperatures chart. You know, for dark meat, I go dark meat for the wings, even though they're considered white meat. I like them to go farther. So just saying, I go about 185 or more. They work better. All right, we're gonna see where our chicken wings are. You can see some of the fat has come off it. I mean, would you look at that? That's nice. That cornstarch kind of, it's got like a fried exterior to it, which is perfect. Look at that one. light. Give you a better look. Gracious. Just gonna give these a flip. And again, they're gonna take a minute. It'll take a while. Now, some people are gonna say, Hussey, the griddle is not for chicken wings. That's subjective. That's subjective matter, y'all. I will say that the griddle makes great wings. I've done them a lot. People have eaten them. People love them. I would say do whatever you want to do, okay? And don't listen to the haters. Could you do it on the smoker? Sure, the 0 to 400 method works great, but I just want to do them on the griddle. I want to do it on the griddle. Something fast, something easy. Looking over here at our Cheerwine, it's starting to reduce down really well. Just gonna give that a minute. Probably should have started out a little earlier, but you know, no big deal. We ain't got nothing but time today, y'all. Ain't nothing but time. We're gonna let our Cheerwine sauce reduce it. We're gonna keep flipping these wings. Eventually, we're gonna have some good groceries, all right? All right, guys, so our Cheerwine is reduced quite a bit, and we're gonna bring it over here. We're gonna start making the rest of our barbecue sauce. It smells good. It's not real thick. It's reduced quite a bit. We're gonna add some other good stuff to it. First things first, I'm gonna do about a half cup of ketchup. We're gonna do a little bit of Winston-Salem, North Carolina's finest, a little Texas Pete, a little bit of tang. We're gonna do chicken dust, by gosh. We're gonna do a little bit of vinegar. I like a little tang to it. Don't want too much because I wanna thin it out a lot. And then we're gonna use a little bit of pepper. Not pepper, brown sugar. Lots and lots of brown sugar. This is gonna give it a nice little sheen, a little thickness to it. And oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of red pepper flake. Get a little something. Mix that up really good. Got a spatula somewhere? Or I got a whisk somewhere, I think. I don't know, give that a taste. Oh man, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Golly, boy. I can't wait till this kind of thickens up a little bit. All right, let's take it back over to the griddle. We're just gonna let that ride. We're gonna let it just sit over there, bubble, and just reduce. It reduces more, it's just gonna be more concentrated. Let's look at our chicken wings. I mean, look at that exterior, guys. I mean, that looks like a darn fried piece of chicken. Not too bad. And the cool thing too about this cornstarch, when the sauce hits that cornstarch, it'll thicken up also, and it'll stick to the wings. These are looking really good. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. So I gotta ask y'all, you know, are you a drum or are you a flapper? Leave me a comment down below. I'll tell you my favorite at the end of this sucker, all right? Because I don't want to start no wars just yet. So yeah, let me know down below. Let's check on that. Let's look at our temperature of these wings. Take our trusty Thermapen. We're at 165, 67 degrees there, 174. I mean, these wings are, they're all about that one's 166, 67. So just a little while longer. By that time, our sauce is gonna be thickened. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I think our chicken wings are pretty much done. Got 180, 190 right there. I'm beginning to think whoever packaged these at the chicken plant, they like flappers also, because this is all, I pretty much got all flappers except for 2, 4, 6 drums. So, hey, more power too. All right, we know what they like. Our sauce, it is getting super thick. Got one more thing I want to do. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, smells tangy. It smells sweet. I want to take a little bit of butter. Let's get that butter melted in there. It's going to help coat the wings. All right, I'm actually going to put it back onto the griddle and just let that keep on reducing. I'm going to take a glass bowl and I want to take our chicken wings, put in our bowl. Now, one other thing, if you wanted to hurry these along, you could take the big dome, big XL dome, and put over these wings. It'll help kind of steam them. Now, I will say it will compromise the bark or the crispiness a little bit, just because all that steam just kind of goes in there. But man, those wings right there look fantastic. I mean, if you're going to sauce them, the crust, it's going to be compromised anyway. So we're going to give these a rest, and then we're going to pour our sauce over them. Woo, all right, it's time to sauce these wings up. Ooh, man, look at that. Oh, doggies. I want to save a little bit. Oh, my word. Holy cow. Boys and girls, Now that's some good groceries right there. Let's give these a try. Let's go. Ah. Guys, that's easily, that's the #1 chicken wing right there. I know everybody says that. That's a dang good wing. Guys, this is sweet, it's tangy, little heat. Dang, that's good. I guess, I mean, I gotta try a drum too while I'm at it, you know what I'm saying? That exterior, still crunchy. That's so good. That sauce just adheres right to it. That's a good wing. It's a good wing. I highly suggest making this wing. It's so easy, so simple. You want to cook them on a grill or a smoker? Go right ahead. But if you got a griddle, do it. That's all I got for you. I appreciate you stopping by. Griddle temperature magnet, meat temperature magnet, chicken dust. Gotta get some chicken dust. Head over to my website. It'll be on Amazon soon. Not yet. Wash that down with a little bit of Cheerwine. It'll be there soon. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. Hey, with that said, I'm out, guys. I appreciate you. Love you. Bye. By that time, our sauce is going to be thickened. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Even you'll like it, Jeff. I will say do whatever you want to do, okay? And don't listen to the haters, all right? You get that, Jeff? I think Jeff might be, Jeff, the Andersons, they might be, chicken wing snobs. That's a dang good wing. I want to clear this bone off. Dang, boy. Jeff, I bet you like that. A little knob of butter. Don't put, did you see that? Dadgummit. I knew that was gonna happen. Come on.